Automatic tin sucker. Strong suction. Quick heating. Fast melting of tin. Easy removal of components. The tin dross can be cleaned up easily. Press the button twice to spit out the tin dross. Easily disassemble a variety of large and small components. Equipped with spare suction nozzles and through needles. Through needle use. When the suction nozzle is blocked by tin, you can use a through needle to poke through. Nozzle replacement. Turn off the power and unscrew the nozzle, and then replace it with a new nozzle. Welcome to buy.